In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix preview could not be loaded in Elementor. If you've ever tried to edit a page with Elementor and seen that frustrating message instead of your content, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple set of changes inside your WordPress dashboard that often resolves this error quickly and safely. First, log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the Elementor menu item there. Hover your mouse over it so the submenu appears, and then click on the editor option. This will open the Elementor dashboard within WordPress, where we'll access the tools we need. On the left side of the Elementor dashboard, you'll see another vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Tools and click it. By default, you should land on the General tab inside the Tools section, and that's exactly where we want to be. Here, you'll see several important maintenance options that can affect how Elementor loads your pages. The first one to look for is Elementor Cached. This refers to the temporary files Elementor creates to speed up your site. Sometimes those files become outdated or corrupted and can cause preview issues. To clear them out, click the button labeled Clear Files and Data on the right side of the Elementor Cached section. This forces Elementor to rebuild those files fresh the next time you load a page. Next, move down to the section called Sync Library. Your Elementor library includes templates, blocks, and other elements that need to stay in sync with Elementor's servers. If they get out of sync, it can sometimes affect how the editor loads. To fix that, click the Sync Library button on the right side. This will refresh your library and make sure everything is up to date. Lastly, look for the option named Safe Mode. Safe Mode allows Elementor to load without interference from themes or other plugins, which can be incredibly helpful when troubleshooting preview problems. Click the drop-down field on the right side of Safe Mode and choose Enable. This doesn't permanently change your live site, it just helps you diagnose and fix issues inside the editor. Once you've cleared the cache, synced the library, and enabled Safe Mode, go to the bottom right corner of this page and click Save Changes. After saving, try opening your page again in Elementor. In many cases, the preview will now load correctly.